So you're thinking of moving to San Antonio, Texas. In this video, we're going to show you around the Stone Oak area, one of the most sought after neighborhoods and living areas in the city. So if you're looking to move in 9 days or 90 days, you might want to stick around. If you do stick around till the end, we're going to show you one of the best kept secrets about the Stone Oak area. And we're getting after it right now. Well, you can see as we come down into the Stone Oak area, you can see the beautiful rolling hills, a number of homes along this main thoroughfare. This is Evans Road coming through San Antonio, and we're going to go right by Barbara Bush Elementary School. We're coming up here on the school. I'll slow down so you can get a quick look at it. And as you can see, they're out right now, but this is a beautiful new school that we have here in the Stone Oak area. And just so you know, the builders are responsible for building schools with the number of homes that they've contracted to build. For every so many homes, they've got to put in a school, they've got to put in roads, they've got to pave areas, and they've got to preserve the trees and the natural landscape the best they can. You won't find many neighborhoods in Stone Oak that the trees are run over, that they're mowed down and taken away from the homeowners and the potential homes that they're building. So there are new fire stations in the Stone Oak area. There's certainly plenty of shopping, as we've talked to you about in other videos. And it's just a beautiful, beautiful area. And you can see how green it is, and the trees that we've got are just beautiful. Experience the rolling hills. You can see the rolling hills and the small shopping areas through here. There's a Marco's Pizza. We're coming up on a Starbucks. There's 2 or 3 of those around in the area. Some 40,000 people call the Stone Oak area home, which is a big portion of our population. Our population is about 1.5 million, but a very significant portion do live here in Stone Oak. This began development in the 1980s, and you can see we're coming up here on some very, very nice homes in Hidden Canyon that are under construction. So it's just a beautiful, beautiful area. You can see that the roads are wide. People do get in a hurry. They do get in a hurry. That's certainly part of it, I guess, when you live in a large metropolitan area. But I'll encourage you, like I have in other videos, to go ahead and set your GPS. Know how long it's going to take for you to get from one point to another, and just relax. That keeps you from getting in too big a hurry. You know, if traffic's backed up, it'll tell you that. It may give you an alternate route if you have your GPS settings like that, all set up in that particular way. So again, you know, just 40,000 families here. There's a lot of things to do for the families. You can see, you know, obviously the wider streets. And of course, San Antonio being Military City, USA, you do see your share of flags out. They are everywhere. People put them in their yards. They've got the state of Texas flag and also the American flag throughout. So you see those things on a regular basis, and it's just fabulous, I think, here in the area. Now we're coming up here on one of the churches. The Fellowship Church is right down below me. You might have seen that as we went by. And we've got the caution lights out as there's a school up ahead. One of the things that they don't tolerate here in San Antonio is they don't tolerate you being on your cell phone. So I'm going to shut it down right here. So here in Stone Oak, there are 35 different homeowners associations. We're going by Canyon Springs, which also has a golf course. We'll talk more about that later. But this is another beautiful area, 35 different HOAs, and each HOA has their own representative, and then they have a meeting during the month that where all the HOA representatives get together and therefore can take the notes back from their board meetings to the people in their community. So being as large as it is, it really does require that if you're going to keep it nice and open. And if you're going to communicate well with the population, that's kind of what it takes. You can see one of the gorgeous pools right alongside the main road here at Evans Road. And we're going to go on in and give you just a little bit better view of the playground and the swimming area. You can see the streets there have the sidewalk on both sides of the street, and that makes it a little bit easier for people to walk, run, and bike through the area. Again, you can see the playscape. And I want to give you a nice look at the pool in this particular community right here in Canyon Springs. You can see that people are out. It's a beautiful day here in San Antonio, and this is where people are going to spend their summers. So not much need to have one in your backyard unless you just want to, but most of the associations here in San Antonio do have their own association pool, tennis courts in some of them, and also play areas throughout their parks and basketball courts. So it's a great community for your family. Wanted to give you a bit of a feel for the shopping here in Stone Oak. As you can see, you've got plenty of fast food places through here. We do have a Sonic that's right behind me. Also in this small shopping center is a coffee place, a restaurant with some outside seating, and you've even got a medical facility here. There's also a drive-through pharmacy, so the people in Stone Oak have all the conveniences in short, small shopping areas. And there's also gas stations. There's a Valero within walking distance from this particular location. So it's very busy, but a very nice place to have, easy to get to when you've got your family in the car. We've moved our location to another small shopping center here in Stone Oak. And as you can see behind me, there is a sushi restaurant. So these little shopping centers are full of not only places to shop, but also little quaint restaurants. The service is good, the food's even better, and it's just a nice place to bring your family or come and have an afternoon lunch or dinner. Doesn't make any difference. I'm going to turn around here so you can take a little better look at this. And you can see behind me there's also a Mexican food restaurant. Nice place to have lunch. And again, you've got plenty of these all over Stone Oak. So if you're looking to come to this area and you want to explore that, send me a text, send me an email. We'll take a look at it together. So you've got Italian food, Asian food, Mexican food. You've got plenty of steakhouses throughout the local area. There's a Kirby's Steakhouse, which is excellent. There's a Brazilian steakhouse along the outer loop on 1604. You've got plenty of HEBs here. You've got two great big HEBs for shopping. And you've got a Silo restaurant across on the other side of 1604. If you're looking for a 4 or 5 star experience, you can certainly get it there. Again, the homes here in Stone Oak range from about $350,000 on up to about $3 million. So you've got a very diverse supply of homes and just a beautiful area and a gorgeous sunny day today. Wanted to give you an opportunity to see what some of the roads And the sidewalks, of course, I know you've seen sidewalks and roads before. These are nice and wide and well maintained here in the Stone Oak area. You can also see how beautifully lined the streets are with the oak trees. And it's just a very, very beautiful place. Normally you see a lot of people running, walking, and biking on these sidewalks. And we're going to take you up. Our next stop is actually going to be at one of the parks here. It is a very, very nice place. Again, you can see the beauty, you can see the wide areas, so the entire Stone Oak area is not just a mass covered in homes. You can see how very nice it is, well maintained. Of course, that's part of the association dues, but it is just a wonderful place to call home. And I'm sure when you move to San Antonio, you will just love this particular area. I'm taking you down a street here in Stone Oak that's called Wilderness Oak. This is one of the main thoroughfares through the community, and people do like to race through here. That's not always good, but again, if you just take your time, you can really enjoy a fabulous view. As we come up over this hill, you can see the rolling hills at the base of the Texas Hill Country, and it's just gorgeous. It's a beautiful day, a few puffy clouds out there, and just really, really nice home developments, small shopping centers, a few businesses throughout, and again, just a great place to call home. We are on Canyon Gulf Road now through Stone Oak. And one of the things that had just happened here on this particular street is they've added a brand new fire station here recently. So as the housing prices have gone up and more people have decided to make Stone Oak their home, you're going to need more services: fire, ambulance, and police. So the area is well patrolled. And many of the communities in Stone Oak are also gated. So if you're looking for added security, that's another particular issue that you may want to look at in terms of safety for you and your family. Although I think this is a pretty safe area, you can darn sure improve that with the gated communities. But again, I'm going to comment again on the beauty of this particular neighborhood. I don't think people think about the beauty of the hill country when they think about the state of Texas. And that's a real opportunity for someone who relocates to our beautiful city here in San Antonio. That's a beautiful, beautiful thing. And again, the area's been well taken care of, certainly a master plan community. And you can see the shops and the restaurants and the people. This is just a normal day, so the traffic is not too bad today. I will warn you that during rush hour, early in the morning and later in the afternoons, you certainly will see a lot more cars on the roads, and it can be a little hairy and difficult to get in and out of Stone Oak. But again, if you'll set your GPS, you know how long it's going to take you to get where you're going, and you can just relax and enjoy the beauty of this particular area. In the distance behind me, you can see Canyon Ridge Elementary School, one of the beautiful newer schools here in the Stone Oak area. As I said, it is an elementary school. It's fairly new. A lot always going on in the Stone Oak area, activities for the kids. On the other side of this elementary school is one of the big parks here in the Stone Oak area. and that's Stone Oak Park. It has 2.7 miles of walking trails available. There's a workout section through there, a playscape for the kids, and plenty of wildlife that you may run into there and throughout the Stone Oak area and the northern part of San Antonio. We've displaced plenty of the animals here with the building, construction, and growth, so you're likely to run into that while you're out walking around. You might see several deer at this time of year. They are having their fawns, so you might see that. There are a few snakes here and there, so be careful. You'll see squirrels and redbirds, and it's just a great place to be quiet perhaps for a bit and enjoy the nature walk through there. Gorgeous area, beautiful place to live here in Stone Oak. Again, 40,000 people call Stone Oak home, and it continues to grow. Building continues to happen, and Stone Oak tries very hard to preserve the natural landscape. I'm sure if you decide to locate to San Antonio, this will be one area that we'll probably take a look at together. So I'm looking forward to that. I'm looking forward to seeing you here. So if you're looking to move to San Antonio in 9 days or 90 days, give us a call, subscribe to our channel so you can be the first to notified of new videos which come out every week. Give us a like, make a comment, ask us a question, call, text, or email. We're right here to serve you. And we look forward to welcoming you to San Antonio soon. We're coming up on Canyon Springs Golf Course, and that was one of the destinations I wanted to take you by today, so you can see firsthand what kind of a place we have here. This golf course was named in Golf Digest and Golfers Magazine as one of America's best new golf courses when it was first opened, and it is a very beautiful facility and a challenging golf course, but I did want to take you by here today. This is one of the best kept secrets in all of San Antonio. This particular golf course is just fabulous. It's nice and challenging, and it will certainly give you an opportunity to improve your golf game. They've got all the important things out here, like a golf shop, which you can see as I turn around, and also a golf pro. If you'd like to improve your skills, this is a good place to do it. And you can see over here the clubhouse. So just a beautiful area. I'm going to try and navigate through the parking lot with all the golf carts out here. Beautiful day to be out on the course. So if that's something that you like, Stone Oak is a beautiful area for that. So this is a great public facility, and it's well maintained and well kept. The greens are in great shape, I'm told by other golfers. So come out here and enjoy yourself. And now for the best kept secret about the Stone Oak area. You can see them behind me. They're the real Texas Longhorns. There are two of them out here at Canyon Springs Golf Club, and this is a beautiful connection with the hill country here in Texas and the big city life that you may want if you're moving to the 7th largest city in the country. This is a beautiful area, a great day, plenty of people out on the golf course. And again, this golf course is highly rated. It's one of the best in the area. And if you're looking to move to San Antonio in 9 days or 9 weeks, you can give us a call, send us a text, send us an email, and we look forward to welcoming you to San Antonio soon. Hit the subscribe button. You'll be notified of new videos that come out every week and more tours of the San Antonio area. If you're looking at home prices here in the Stone Oak area, you're looking at between $350,000 all the way up to about $3 million. So whatever your needs may be, whether they be family oriented or it's just you and that special person that you live with, you are certainly welcome here in Stone Oak, a gorgeous area in San Antonio. So again, hit the subscribe button, give us a like, make a comment. We'll answer you. Send us an email, send us a text, give us a call on the phone, and we look forward to welcoming you to San Antonio soon.